What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to AV Moto. Right here, I got a 2003 YZ125. I bought this bike for $400, and I'm about to tell y'all how I bought it for $400. So a friend of mine bought this bike for $500, and the plan was for me to rebuild it, but we never got around to it. So eventually, I hit him up and asked him how much he'll sell the bike to me for. He told me $400, so I went and bought the bike from him. So now that I told y'all how I got the bike, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a walk around and show y'all everything that the bike needs. Give y'all a walk around real quick. Ooh, see, I got the FMF on now. It's the right side of the bike. That thing ugly right now. Wait till I get done with it. As y'all can clearly see, the top end missing. Now it came with a Athena cylinder, so I had to get the cylinder head with the dome. And of course I had to get a piston and ring for it. And as far as I can tell, the bottom end is good. As you can see, the crankshaft spins freely. There's no play in it, so that's a good sign. Just looking at it from right here, you can see that it definitely needs some new plastics. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but they got the oversized gas tank on it. I'm gonna end up throwing a new seat cover on there as well. As you can see, the clutch lever broke. Got to get a new clutch lever for it. Need some grips for it. Now the back rim is an aftermarket rim. So instead of getting an aftermarket front rim, I'm gonna end up throwing the OEM back rim on, and I'm gonna paint both of them black. And I'm gonna put some new spoke skins on there. Back brake caliper is shot, and it don't got the bracket. So what I'm gonna end up doing, I'm gonna just get a whole new rear brake system. Now the front brakes, everything is there and everything works. See, we got the throttle tool. Like I said, I'm gonna put some new grips on it. Got the carburetor in there. Now I don't know the last time the bike ran, so the carburetor probably gonna need to be cleaned. As you can see, the radiator ain't on there. I got the radiator. I just got to get some hoses for it, and I also got to get a pipe for it. And as you can see, it already got a silencer on there, a FMF shorty to be exact. So I already showed y'all everything that the bike needs. I pretty much got all of the parts. So in today's video, I'm gonna see if I can get this bike running. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Here's the cylinder right here. As you can see, it says Athena. Inside look pretty good. And then here we go. We got the brand new Athena piston. And here we got the Athena cylinder head, and then we got the dome to go with it. All right, I got the ring installed. A little oil on the bearing. All right, I got the piston and ring installed. Got the piston nice and oiled up. Got the cylinder nice and oiled up. Let's go ahead and put the cylinder on. Y'all, they got 2 screws right now, so I'm gonna make it work. Before I put the spark plug in, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the spark real quick. Alright guys, I got the radiators on. Got some brand new blue radiator hoses on there. So guys, I took the carb off to clean it, and this carb is filthy. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this carb is filthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow it out with the compressor and then put it back on the bike. All right, guys, I got the car back on. I got the gas tank on, and I got some fresh gas in it. So let's go ahead and see if it'll fire up. As y'all can see, the bike fired up, but I don't know if y'all heard it or not, but the bike was idling way too high. I was literally playing with the kill switch to keep it from revving out. I think I might have an air leak. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's a big gap between the seal and the crankshaft. I was turning the crank around, and the gap pretty much goes around with the crank. So after continuing to turn the crank, it looked like the crankshaft was bent. Also, guys, check this out. There's oil on the ground, so there might be a crack in the crankcase as well. So, guys, I thought I was just going to be doing a top-end rebuild, but looks like I'm going to be doing a bottom-end rebuild as well. But as you can see, the bike fired up and it ran. It ran poorly, but it still ran. So the next video is probably going to be a motor rebuild vid, so stay tuned for that. But that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button. If you wish to see the motor rebuild or the rest of this bike build, subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.